One of the most overlooked parts when building a PC is the power supply. A lot of people like to cheap out on one and then end up needing a new one in the future because of power issues, especially when upgrading a lot of your components. But what we have here is MSI's MAG 850GL PCIe 5 PSU, coming in at only 120 bucks. It is 80 plus gold certified, so you know that it won't blow up on you. Now, I don't have one of the 40 series cards yet. I'm still rocking my 3080. But if you do have a newer card, it does come with the dual color PCIe 5 cable to make sure it's plugged in properly. I recently rebuilt my PC and it's running perfectly well at game, so I definitely recommend this to one of you.